Okay. So as you saw on the title of the video, I'm going to be exploring the sewers by my house, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm bringing. There's 4 key things that I'm bringing. First of all, is I'm bringing myself, of course, obviously. I mean, how would I do this without me? Okay, and then the next thing, I'm bringing a flashlight. Obviously, it's a dark sewer. Why would I not bring a flashlight? It's kind of... Also, I'm bringing a wireless hole stabber. Sir reference there. Peep it. And then, of course, we're bringing the bikey. Oh, sorry, I forgot one. We're also bringing you guys to come along and hopefully watch me be safe in the sewers, not getting kidnapped, not getting attacked or killed, hopefully. Let's jump into it and have some fun. All right, I'll see you guys. What's good, guys? We're gonna try and get to the, we're gonna go right over to the sewers and we're gonna go explore it. So right here, we got the bag, we got the flashlight, we got the wireless hole stabber, and we are ready to hit the road and go explore this place. I am scared, but we're doing this for you. I'm doing this for you guys. And you guys at home, hopefully I'm okay and I make it out alive. Oh, please make it out alive. Alright, I'll see you there. Hi guys, I made it to the dirt path that I'm taking to the sewers. Right here, it's right by the freeway. But sorry if it's windy and stuff. So I'm right by this place to make go to the sewers. And right now I'm scared. That's really the only thing. Sorry, I'm riding in the dirt right now. It's kind of shaky. So I'll see you guys there at the sewers. Alright, so we made it to the sewers. It's kind of echoing. Got the flashlight. Got the wireless hole stabber, or whatever you call it. I'm speaking quiet because it's echoing into the sewers, which is kind of weird. And we got the bike. Bikey, hold on. Bike. Okay. It's going and hopefully come out alive. I don't know, bro. I might not make it. Oh, I'm making it. Yeah, hopefully. Alright. I'll see you when. Okay, guys. So, this is the sewer I'm gonna be going in. I don't know how far I'm going in because I can't go that long because I have to go back for dinner. But, oh, hell no. Oh, my flashlight, bro. It sucks. I'm scared. Oh, hell no. I don't know how far we're gonna go, boys. Because this is scary. This is scary. Why is my flashlight doing that? I'm actually shaking. I might have to come back and do it with somebody that I know. Because this is scary as hell. Oh, God, no. I think I might have to come back. we might have to do a part 2 to this. Because I don't feel safe doing it alone. Oh God. Oh hell no, I saw something move. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Go. I saw something move. I saw something move down. Hell no. Oh hell no. Oh my God, that was scary, guys. That was scary. I'm sorry I didn't make it that far, but I am scared. I might have to come back and do it with somebody, or a few friends or somebody. I also have to go back and eat some dinner. I'll definitely come back with a friend. We'll do a part 2. Sorry for the disappointment, guys, but we definitely will do a part 2 later on. Sorry for the disappointment, but like that was something else. I saw something. I swear I saw something move. Like, I'm not even joking. But that place is scary. I'll definitely come back again. Definitely. Because I saw something move down there and I ain't trying to go in there alone. Especially since there could be homeless people in there and stuff. But I'm going to come back. Sorry for the disappointment. Definitely watch part 2. Because I'm going to go farther in with a friend. Because that's scary as heck, man. Don't, no hate, bro. Because I already know y'all would do that too. Alright. I'll see y'all in the next video. Go watch my shorts. Just like and subscribe for part 2. And, whew, that was scary. I see you guys in the next one.